Oh, it is recording. This world is widely inhabited by creatures known as Pokemon. Live alongside Pokemon as friendly teammates and as cooperative, and sometimes we band together to battle other In fact, there are many secrets surrounding Pokemon. So now the Pokemon mysteries have been undertaking research. Donut. Moving to my hometown, literally. I get it now. Alright, are you ready? We're going to Adventure Second Story. Take care of the adventure to the world of Pokemon and friendship stories. My Pokemon Lab. Through a Pokemon Ruby. Oh no. Sorry. You all know that, well, goes and get to set it. Your desk. Oh my god. You brought me this report in front of Kettleblood Gym. Oh, over. I think that was missed him. Too bad. Oh yes, one of your best friends lives in town. Professor Birch is his name. He lives right next door, so you should go and introduce yourself. So, I feel uncomfortable. I mean, breaking into someone's house. Next time, silence. Oh, you're doing it. my daughter is upstairs. This dream of becoming friends with my I heard about you from my dad. I was hoping that you would be my friend and we could be friends. So oh God.
What should I do? What should we do? Someone has to help.
Well,
Did you
since
know
that
my show?
nobody's trying to help me. Hey, you please help. That's a bag of turkey ball leaves. Where are you going? Don't leave me like this. Oh, come on, let me leave. Let me leave. Fine. Check Pokemon Torchic. Mr. Pokemon Medkit. I'm gonna get the Pokemon people. I think Medkit before. I'm gonna go Torchic. You're facing a low-down hashbag. But I get a female. This is the happiest day of my life. Gained 15 EXP points. Enough to shift. Powers in the progress of being wild Pokemon, but when I was done, you saved me. Thanks a lot. You, sir, do you have any Pokemon? Oh, you're doing it. Lab later, okay? Why not give it him? speeder. Wait a second. Recording in progress. Tap here to start. Stop recording. Well, okay. Wait. Okay. Now let's just continue. We're slowly walking. You know what? I can do better. Sure, just ignore the speed. Go, hurry. HP, contest moves. Oh. I'm just gonna go Die! Any kind of Pokemon. Hey, wait for me. Go. Already up. Your Pokemon up to full health. And then you just leave me. I see now. You think I'm a joke. Pokédex. This is a high-tech tool that automatically makes a record of every Pokemon you need to catch. It likes to know what every day when anyone could catch a little Pokemon or schedule building the Pokédex. So I noticed from you while I'm doing schoolwork and shows me. You got a Pokédex too. That's great, just like me. I got something for you too. Obtained the Pokeball. I feel uncomfortable. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's fun if you can get a lot of Pokemon. I'll take a look all over the place because I want different Pokemon. If I find any cute Pokemon, I'll catch them with Pokeball. Only cute ones, right? So you don't like bugs. So, should I just... Oh. Hey, Tina! Tina, is yourself to Professor Birch? Oh, what a terrible Pokemon. You're better for Professor Birch? How nice! You're your father's child, alright? You look good together with Pokemon. Here, honey, if we're going on an adventure, wear these running shoes. They'll put a zipper to your step. Don't want good shoes with the running shoes. Don't want those shoes come with instructions. Plus, to be better, more wearing these running shoes to run extra fast without becoming serious and racing the great outdoors. This is a very young Pokemon. Plus, whether it be for overboard, but please be careful. If only you have been taking some, honey. Go on, go get them, honey. Go back inside the house. Whoa, it looks like I have shoes that I can run with. You don't get tired taking these Pokemon. Okay, I know that. Yes, right. I don't know where it is. Wild Whirlpool fainted. Hillary grew to overflowing. Hillary and Fritz angry. What is that looking so much? Hey, wait a second. I'm supposed to catch a Pokemon. What about a Pochino? Well, you shall excuse me, I'm going to try seeing if I can catch any good Pokemon. Bye-bye.